Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device, your REALME GT8 Pro, using your lock screen password. So, in case you cannot remember the password that you used the last time you successfully accessed your device, then if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, for example, a face unlock or a fingerprint unlock method, set up on your device, then use one of these to access your smartphone and then back up all the important data you have stored on your device before continuing. And once you've backed up your data, you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation, and I'm gonna explain how to do that later in the video. Now, in case you cannot access your device at all, the best solution to this situation would be reaching out to REALME customer support service and telling them about this issue. And in case you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they'll be able to help you out and restore your password for you without erasing your private data from the smartphone. Now, if you cannot use this option, if you cannot use this as an option, then perform a factory reset operation. And there are two ways to do that if you cannot access your device via the password. The first one is the local factory reset operation through the recovery mode. And if you are interested in how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode, we have a separate video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. So if you're interested, you're highly welcome to check out our video on how to perform factory reset through recovery mode on REALME GT8 Pro. And the other way to perform a factory reset operation is remote. And in order to do that, you're going to need an Google account linked to your REALME GT8 Pro and a separate device with internet access on it. Using your separate device or your other device, enter the web browser and search for FindHub website by Google. Enter this website and sign into it using your Google account's login data. Then go to Devices section and find your REALME on the list. Once you select your REALME, you're gonna have to tap the gear icon to access settings, or just find the factory reset option and then select it and wait until your REALME is reset to the factory defaults. After your phone is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up once again, set yourself a new password, and if you previously backed up your data, restore the data from the backup. And after that, you'll regain access to your smartphone. However, if you did not forget your password, but you still cannot access your device using it, then it might be caused by some third-party application interference. And in order to outrule such possibility, we're gonna have to reboot our device into the safe mode and disable all background activities on it. To do that, press and hold power button and volume up key at the same time and keep holding them until your device's display goes off. Once it does, you can release both buttons and then wait until REALME logo appears on your screen. I think I released the buttons a little bit too early, so let me just try once again. Let's hold down these two buttons at the same time. Okay, and now let's wait until REALME logo appears on the device's screen. After 3 or 5 seconds after the logo appears on the screen, start holding down the volume down button and then wait until your device starts again. Once your device starts, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Try entering your password once again, and in case you succeed this time, before figuring out which application could have caused this kind of issue, let's go to settings and remove the password by going to security and privacy menu, device unlock, screen lock, enter your password once again, and select turn off password and then confirm. And then to return to the normal mode, press power button and volume up keys simultaneously swipe the circle up to restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.